Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Today you join me here at Regal Autosport, a very familiar place to the channel. Of course, that's where I get all the bits done to my car. Now you may remember a couple of months ago now, probably about 6 months ago, I got a Res Delete fitted to my Golf R. But now I'm stepping things up another notch because I've just gone and spent a ridiculous amount of money on an Akrapovic back box. Now these things, for you guys out there that may not know, these things are incredibly difficult to find. Now you can only get them from VW main dealers because it's kind of an optional extra for the Golf R Performance Pack. And actually, interestingly enough, when I was kind of looking for a Golf R, I wasn't really keen on getting the Akrapovic Exhaust, but now kind of things have come back and bit him in the arse and I've had to buy one second hand. So yeah, I've gone and done that. In fact, I'll open up the boot in a second and show you that. But yeah, here at Regal, we've got a R8 V10 Plus, we've got the Regal supercharged Hurricane up there, a GT3 inside, and then of course Ash's beast of a Golf R as well. But anyway, here we are, it's Akrapovic time. So obviously, as things stand at the moment, I'm running the standard Golf R exhaust, but just with a Resonator Delete from Vagsport. But if I just come over here to the boot and open up this, we see we have a very crammed boot actually. So let me just explain everything in here. That, first of all, is vital for owning a Golf R and steering lock for when you park it up. So this is the back box. So it's a titanium system, which, as you can see, is in pretty amazing condition. So I bought the exhaust second hand, like I mentioned in the intro, of a guy who'd only had it since about January time, so it's only been on his car for a few months or so, and we've still got the original socks and all the original packaging, and actually the original mat. This under here is actually an Akrapovic mat. Now in here I have the original Resonator. I just thought I'd bring that along just in case the cuttings of different exhausts didn't match up, but this is the other Resonator Delete which I got as part of the deal. So basically it's an anti-drone resonator, so this kind of section that comes out here kind of for some reason and somehow it avoids the drone. So yeah, this is the old exhaust. In fact, should we take this out now? Yeah, why not? Let's kind of get this out so I can show you at least the tips. Very, very cool. I mean, look at this. There we go. Akrapovic. Now, I'll leave that there until we properly get them unpacked in the workshop. But here we go. I'm going to get all this out of the car and, well, ultimately out of the car and fitted underneath the car. But because this thing is also de-resonated, it's going to sound pretty incredible. And I've certainly been watching a fair few videos of this, so I'm really rather excited. So, let me get original valve kind of things in here, which is all very cool. But anyway, yeah, let's get this thing inside and get the fitting underway. So that's going to be the final startup of the current exhaust setup. So the guys are just starting up, taking it round to put into the workshop where things will start to get very, very interesting. So obviously we've got to take off the original exhaust and then put on the Akrapovic. And a friend of mine has just turned up. You guys may recognise this. It's the M2 from, mate, you're not getting up there. He's come along for the day. This thing is stunning looking thing. But anyway, we're going to head on inside. We'll take a little bit of a look to that a little bit later because I'm excited. So the original exhaust is now off, and before I can pick up my camera, the Acra is already going back on. Now actually, interestingly, when the two were side by side here, I could really kind of get a look at both of them. And the back boxes are actually quite similar sizes, but obviously this one being a titanium system, it's obviously going to be a lot lighter. So yeah, you see, going into place now, you can see the new look of the rear end of the car. These tips make a massive difference. Obviously they're not lined up completely yet. I've got to plug in the valves and kind of get the fixings set into place, and then we can just kind of wiggle it all around. But you get a quick look underneath here at least. You can see that is the Res Delete, obviously connecting to the downpipe which goes to the cats and the manifolds. Here we have the highlight, the Akrapovic back box. I'm actually really growing to love these tips. And like I mentioned in the intro, initially when I was buying a Golf R, I kind of stayed clear of the Acra, mainly because I just preferred the look of the chrome tips down here. But obviously then I took to YouTube, looking at what they sound like, especially with the Res Delete, and then I was sold. So yeah, and actually I must say then I mean, these are oval tips here, which you can see. I just do that. However, these are a lot more round, a lot more aggressive, which I am loving, actually. Absolutely loving. But yeah, this is getting fitted very quickly, and I'm very, very excited. So soon shall be the first startup. Time for the first startup of the Acra system. Yeah, I'm ready when you are. This is going to be mad. Oh my word, what have I done? What have I done? Oh my gosh, that is mad. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can definitely get more of like a turbo whistle kind of coming through there. But anyway, car's just coming out now, back out into the sunshine. I love lapis blue in the sun, it looks amazing. And now it pretty much sounds amazing as well. So it's gonna go out for a quick road test, make sure everything's all right. So they're gonna give me an opportunity to kind of hear it from the outside, which I'm quite excited for. Sorry, doggo. Okay, this is mad.
Go right.
Right, okay. I'm lost already. Okay, so what have I done? Okay, so window up. Let's get a little bit more civilized here. Why have I gone for an Akrapovic system? There's two real reasons why I have. One of which it's a VW part. You can order it from standard with the Golf R Performance Pack, therefore I keep my warranty. So for doing this mod, I still have my lovely VW warranty. Now the second reason is insurance. Now obviously this being a VW part as well, it technically doesn't stand or doesn't class as a modification. So we're winning. Now albeit I've kind of stretched the limits of the warranty by then res deleting it, but obviously you guys know the story with doing a res delete of the normal exhaust. It's kind of same old, so it's pretty simple. And yes, I'm very, very happy. Now I'm in town at the moment, it's like behind a bus, so I can't really investigate the full potential of this thing, but we get on some open roads soon. But man, this thing is absolutely ridiculous. I get some downshifts.
You're happy bunny.
I'm a happy bunny. Just the pops are so deep, aren't they? It's like they're not really snaps.
They're very different.
They're like boom.
Yeah.
That's a good representation. Boom.
Boom.
I'm so gonna get arrested for this. absurd, this exhaust, and I am in love. I don't know why I didn't get this from the get-go, but I didn't. I have it now and I'm happy. So we have an underpass, as you do. Oh God, that made me jump. Never gonna get bored of that. Wow, generally it's mental how much of a difference it really makes. Obviously I have done quite a lot to change to the exhaust, but yeah, I mean this thing just sounds absolutely ridiculous. I understand that it's probably not going to come through very well on camera, but still it is absolutely nuts. But anyway, I think that's going to round up today's video. I think I'm planning on doing like a proper kind of almost in-depth video on the sound of this thing, because I mean I just need to try and just record the audio as best as I can, because it just sounds nuts. That's the only way that I can describe it, nuts. But before I round up the video, we have a little underpass, so it'd be rude not to do a few noises. Anyway, you got your head in your hands. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, then please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you're subscribed for all the adventures